I forgot to record.
In our hearts makes a crashing and the light that lights in the dark, it makes us so glow and shine like rainbows. We shine like rainbows. Okay, I'm done.
Yay, good job. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Ifo, I give you 100 trillion million
I think
brilliant.
my voice was not that bad, but a little bit bad.
Yeah. When you singing, actually, Mr. Al expected you to stand still, not like running away from here to there.
Okay,
But
then how good can you sing? I'm going to drink.
yeah. Okay, how about Alithia? Alithia, you want to sing something? No?
Yeah, how do you be the horse?
Yay.
Mom is doing the eyes.
Right, yeah, I'm going to take some water first and then I'm going to color mine. Yeah, ready? And don't forget to also apply the gradation. I will teach you how to draw the paint the gradation. After this, I'm going to get the water first. Wait. Wait.
Wait. Color the clothes. Not first. Gonna.
Okay, my water is done. I'm ready. I need to use. Right. Now, this is some tips, yeah, some tricks to make uh an evening about an evening days. I mean, like we are creating the sky color with mostly with the red gradation. Okay, I want everybody to follow me. First, you need to put dark red. Wait. I'm using dark red now. Here is my pen. Can you see that? I'm using dark red now. And I will put my dark red on the top part of the sky. Ya, ini seperti sore hari atau sebelum malam. So the sun was shining very bright until the sky becoming like a fire, like burn into a fire like this. Okay, first use dark red. Okay, you can start with the sky first, guys. Use dark red in one part of your sky. Make it 3 layers later on. Come on, follow me first. This is one of the gradient tips. We call it gradation. In bahasa, we call it gradasi. Yeah. Remember that to make a good gradation, you have to blend it and you cannot create a border between the orange and the red later on. Okay. This is the transition between the red and the orange later on. If you're done with the red color, I want you now to use orange. Okay, so I will use orange now. We are using the.
Finally.
We're going to use a red gradation.
But whatever you do, don't mute. You will stay mute forever.
Yeah, Alithia, if it's possible, don't mute your mic. I want you to speak, Alithia, okay? If you have any question, I want you to be more.
I'm just coloring.
Yeah. Just keep on.
There, remember, you have to keep your internet connection good because before we chat and then she just left because I don't know why.
Okay. Ivo and Alithia.
Teaching.
Ivo and Alithia, I want you to follow me to create the sky, yeah,
Wait.
with
That
red.
orange? I don't know. I just have like a six.
You know what is the next color after orange? Can you guess? Can you guess what color after red?
Orange? Oh.
Oh, orange. Yeah. What color after orange?
Yellow.
Yay, you are correct, Ivo.
Are you making rainbow sky? Green, blue, indigo, and violet sky?
No, this is the what we call it, the evening sky.
Huh?
And it's about the evening from the afternoon until like 5 p.m.
Mr. Al,
Yeah.
where do you get that giant palette?
Where did I get what?
The giant palette that she said?
Oh, the giant palette like this? I don't know. I just buy it from the Gramedia. They provide a lot of colors. I choose the best one. I mean, I choose because
I'm going to pretend that the red thing is some strawberry juice that's spilled on the ground. I'm going to pretend the red thing is some strawberry juice that's spilled on the ground 4,000 ages ago. You know
All right,
that.
yeah. At the end of our lesson, I want to see how all of you guys applying the red gradation on the sky.
Guys, this is the juice that I was speaking about.
Oh my God. Yeah. You're using blue, yeah, at the skies. Okay, it's okay then. Now I
That
want
is not the sky. That is the ocean.
yeah, try to draw to paint the people's face, the skin, the body, and then all the things.
I'm going to pretend that there is some mop. Someone just mopped the beach like 2 days ago. Ooh, look at this.
Yeah.
Someone mopped the beach 2 ages ago.
Okay, Ivo. Yeah, next time, Ivo, I want you to work a little bit slower, yeah? And then we have to learn something, Ivo, not just only like using colors without thinking first. You have to think about the gradient, the blue gradation, something like that, yeah? But it's okay. Maybe we can do some improvement next week. We still have time. But
Lord.
yeah, the most important thing when you learn about art is just to release your stress. Yeah, it's not because you achieve or you trying to
Where is the ocean?
ocean. This
It's
is
behind them.
behind the
Do
people.
you know what I'm eating?
Wow, nice. What are you eating? What food is that?
Meatball. Like blue.
Nice. Okay, I'm eating blue now, light blue. Okay.
Mopping the beach. Mopping the beach. Mopping the beach.
Right. The important message when you learn about art is first you release your stress. Second one is you learn about the creativity. Remember, there's always possible in everything. Don't say that it's impossible, Mr. Al. I cannot do that. No, We have to say it's possible and I can do it. I will try my best to do it.
So do not give up.
Yeah, don't give up. There's always a way of how to solve our problem. See that? If you notice, Mr. Al is using gradation, using gradient color. Okay, next time, please, Ivo, you have to work a little bit slowly so that you can follow Mr. Al because this is the things. This is the thing that you have to learn. Okay, this is the point why we learn about art in the children's art club.
You're a little bit too fast.
What? Sorry?
You're a little bit too fast.
Me or you? Are you now following me?
I am.
Oh, cool. Okay, now Mr. Al is using the
Fast.
light brown color in this area. It's okay. I'm a little bit too fast because I am the teacher. I have to one step or two step ahead from you so that you can see the examples. Yeah, right. This one is I'm using
Whitefish.
dark. I mean light yellow, and then I'm going to use the green. Yeah, like that. Come on, now color the skin of the person. You can use cream color or brown.
Ya bajunya itu.
Yeah, come on. Color the shirt, the clothes, the shoes, and the short pant if they have it. And then if it's possible, you can also color the skin with brown. Some people have a brown color for their skin, right? And I do not mean to make it racial, but yeah, the fact that we are having a different color, the skin color actually. That's why the skin color not always like peach. It can be yellow, it can be brown. Okay, I will give you example. These kids are having a brown color. Right? Yeah, in the middle having a brown color. He is feeling so enthusiastic to play in the sandcastle. Okay. For the rest, maybe I'm going to use like a brown for this girl. Okay. Yeah. I'm using like brown. Maybe she came from Thailand or some of the Asian country. And some of them, like this mommy, having a peach color on her skin.
I'm trying as fast as I can.
What? Okay, for the baby here, I'm going to use
I'm gonna use a little bit of the cheese.
brown color for
Using
the
tissue
skin.
is good.
Yeah, brown color for the skin. Okay, after this, don't forget to present, yeah, because we have to share our knowledge so that you can get something from your friend.
Don't forget to record this so we can remember.
Mhm.
Will be on my recommended. 2 minutes left. Is it 2 minutes left or 5 minutes left?
I don't know.
I will have plenty of time to do it, but not for you guys.
You must leave 2 minutes.
Stop, stop, and stop.
Sudah nak mau? Apa yang stop?
Udah tak mau.
Ini sudah nak mau?
Yeah.
Terus minum. Ayo itu diselesaikan.
Right, I want you to finish your work, yeah, so that there will be nothing to be left behind. We have to finish everything.
No, but I don't know how.
How to what? People?
I know I can stick that I made yesterday.
Are you done, Ivo?
Not really.
Coloring the clothes? Something like this.
Oopsie. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm done.
You done?
Yep.
Can I see that first?
Your pony looks bad.
Can I see your drawing first, please? No. You still have a white space. I want you to cover all the white space. I don't
Yeah,
see the white space.
just like you said. Don't leave a white space.
Yeah, because it looks undone. Yeah, I want you to use some colors and cover all the white space.
Need
And,
to pen.
yeah,
Wow, that's so different.
unless it is
My mom
loud.
doesn't know any. One minute left.
Just kidding.
Okay, like that. I think I'm done now. Yay, finally.
1 minute left. Never gonna get it time. Go to the panic room. Go to the panic room. Wait, hold on. I don't have a panic room.
It's so silly.
Yeah, I know. I don't even have a panic room.
You're so silly and funny, Ivo. And so
Yeah,
creative.
something that I am silly and funny. And I think time's almost up.
Wow.
I don't have any more time.
Okay, I think I'm done. Yay, finally.
You can present it if you want.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to present it. That's really fun. Listen up, yeah. I'm going to present and I want you to do it better than me.
Oh yes, I will prove that I'm gonna do it better.
Yeah, you have to show it better than me. Ready? Okay, I'm going to present. Hi, everyone. I am the handsome guys in the world. My name is Mr. Al, and then I can sing very well. My voice is really good, as my students Ivo said that my voice is really sounds good. Okay. If you want me to sing later, I will sing it for you. Yeah. All right. Actually, I am drawing a family bonding time together in the on the beach like this. They are playing something on the stands. Some of the kids are playing with the sandcastle, and he's maybe trying to make some hole, and then he jump in into the hole.
And the ocean is behind.
Yeah, the mommies looked very happy with a smiley face like that, and then one of the hands having the pocket here, and then this is the other kids. The boy are holding the ball, and then the balloon And this person, the girls, the daughter are wearing a shoes, and they are looks so fun playing in the garden. I mean, in the beach. Okay. Behind that, there is a horizon line that is becoming an illusion border of the sky and the sea. And then there's some peoples here. And then what else? Yeah, I'm using a lot of light colors. And then I'm using gradation technique on the sky. I'm using red, orange, and yellow. And then, yeah, something like that. Okay. Oh, you want me to sing? Okay, I'm going to sing it for you then. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore.
Yes.
Right. Yeah, that's it. My presentation. Alithia give me the smiling.
Me.
No, the laughing face.
Yeah.
Can I?
Now, right.
Can I?
Right.
Please.
Time for Evo, the beautiful girl. She wants to present her work. With Evo. One, two, go. Make it as detailed, yeah, as you can. Ready? Go.
My drawing. And oh my god, it's very hard to hold it because I it's my first time making a My Little Pony. That's why it's a little bit bad. And I add a leaf. And do you like the leaf? It's like in real life.
Yeah.
So as you are wondering what is this and this, so this is someone that spilled a strawberry juice like a long million thousand times.
Yeah.
And then someone mop it. They don't know where the juice is, so they mop it over here.
Okay.
And then there is me building a sandcastle, and there is some strawberry juice on my sandcastle.
Yeah.
Also, I have some flags, as you can see here.
Yeah. Nice.
And then there is some of this, whatever, whatever, whatever this is named. This heart thing's named. I think it's named a heartfish.
Okay.
As you can see, there's the ocean, and this beach is the most specialist ocean in the world because the heartfish is the most rarest fish and pet in the whole entire world.
Okay.
So thank you.
No. You still have 5 minutes to present. You have to use your time wisely.
Oh
5 minutes.
yeah, I actually was kidding.
Yeah. Okay. What else? How about the sea color? What color did you use for coloring the sea area?
Indigo. Oh my god, why did it not stick?
Yeah. How about the water? Are you using the blue color or?
Ah,
Yeah, it's okay. Just forget about it.
hey, I need to take the little pony which is named Applejack. Oh my gosh! It's over there.
Yeah. You have to use glues. I mean, uhu glue then to make it.
Oh! Okay, so this painting is a disaster because I didn't actually stick it. I just tried it to make it stick because it just sticks by itself.
Come on, Ipo. You still have 5 minutes to present.
Come on, horsey. Please don't. So I have to hold this because it's very complicated.
Uh-huh.
That's the end of the story.
Where is the horizon line? I cannot see that. Can you show me the horizon line? Which one?
As you didn't notice, if you saw that headband,
Mhm.
I think they have to write in the comment section below.
Okay.
You're going to say about.
Okay. What do you think, Ivo? Are you happy with your painting now?
Yes, very happy and a little bit sad because this keeps on falling.
Keep on falling, yeah. From 1 until 100 stars. How many stars that representing your feeling today with your painting?
1,000,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, 1,000,000, 100,000,000, 20,000
All right.
stars.
Yay. What do you think? What is the special things from your painting?
The special thing is the heartfish.
The hot cake? Okay, this is your first time
And
drawing.
the most special thing is that my drawing broke.
Okay, nice that one. Okay, this is your first time, right? Painting somebody or people playing in the beach. What do you think?
My,
From 1 until 10, until 100, how many score that you deserve to get it?
I think 100, 100, 100.
All
You
right
can
then.
take this off and then use it for art.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, Ivo. Now we have to go to Kakak Alitia, yeah, because she wants.
Can I show you? I want to really show you like right now.
Alitia, are you done? Show me your thumbs.
Yes.
Ta-da!
Wow, cool. Yeah, I thought that one is the kite. Yeah, people playing with the kite.
I found the kite.
Thank you, Ivo. But don't leave yet. We have to wait for Kakak Alitia to submit, to present. Yeah, we have to show respect to our friend Alitia. Are you ready, Alitia?
Yes.
Go now. Where do you want to go?
Hi, my name is Alicia, and this is my drawing slash painting. So there is a angel here with orange hair with a purple bow that I added, and there's this girl kid here, and I do the legs and her swimming suit, and that's my suit like this boy right here.
Mhm.
He has like a orange shirt with brown pants and has a yellow socks with a brown shoes. And this guy is wearing a dark green shirt with umbrella and has a red the pants on. And there's a blue ball right here. And there's this boy right here in a floaty. Has a blue socks with green shoes.
Can you put your painting a little bit closer with the cam? I want to take photos with it. Move a little bit here. Okay, go. Ready, 1, 2. All right. What is the special thing from your painting? What makes your painting special, Olivia?
There's a color in all like rainbow colors.
Okay. From 1 until 100, how many score that you put together?
100.
100. Yeah. Yeah. I agree with you, but you forgot to color the boy's hair with some colors in the middle. The boy's hair.
One. I colored it with green.
Oh, it's green. That's why I cannot see that. I thought that one is white. Okay. Yeah. All right. Are you happy with that, Alithia?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think that in the future Can you draw more? I mean, more better than this one later in the future?
Yeah, like real people.
Yeah, I'm so happy to see your result. Yeah, your drawing now is becoming better and better. You know what, Alithia? And you should be proud of that. If you don't believe Mr. Al, you can see your friend's drawing and you can compare your drawing between your friend. And then one more time, I mean one more thing that you need to consider is whenever maybe in your school having a drawing competition, you should join. Yeah. All right, Alithia.
I don't have.
Yeah, later maybe if you have the drawing competition, please join. And the tips, the very important thing tips is if you join the art competition, please try to make the object more a lot. That one is already a lot, but make it more complicated. Like there is a ball, there is a kite, there is some a bird flying, there is an aeroplane passing by, there is a coconut tree, something like that. Yeah, did you get
Yeah.
it?
So,
Okay.
so they can win.
Yeah, so I would like to say thank you for Tia, Alithia, and Ivo because you guys have showing your best effort in doing your painting. See you again next time. Okay, next week. Yeah, keep on drawing and say thank you to your mommy because your mommy already helping you in so many things. Okay, say thank you to your mommy.
Thank you, Ma.
Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, I'm not your mommy, right? All right, then.
Talking to my mom.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, Ivo. Bye-bye, Alithia.
Wait, before I leave,
Yeah, Ivo.
I think I want to ask some questions.
Yeah, go.
So, I watch all of your videos like a million times.
Oh my God.
And sometimes I shall upload on my recommended.
I upload new videos on Wednesday, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Okay then. Yeah, but don't watch too much. You have to study. Okay?
Yeah, don't forget. Study, study, study.
Study, study, study. Okay. Bye-bye, Ivo. Bye-bye, Alithia. You have to take away. Mr. Al also wants to take away. Bye-bye, everybody.